What's up? What's up? Welcome to Boome's channel. All right, back with you with another video. Those of you who don't know me, my name is Buddy Boome. I'm from Northwest Washington. I'm a single father. I have 5 children. Actually, I have 4 kids at home. Single dad, digital entrepreneur. I've been actually making money from home for about 10 years now. All right, so if you're checking this video out, you want to find out more details on how you can start making money from home, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So don't go anywhere, okay? So this has been in high demand, so I decided to make this video. I have a flyer program that I've actually been making some mailbox money with, and one of those programs is called $5 Cash Cow. Very, very simple to get started with. And the other program is actually called $20 Cash Cow. Very easy to get set up. You can get set up out of one of two ways. You can actually start off by filling in this form down below. It's going to ask for your name, your email, and your phone number. And I promise I'm not going to use your information for anything. This is just in case we actually get disconnected and have a way of contacting you. So once you fill in that form, you're going to go to a page. It's going to have a couple of videos on there. Be sure to check those videos out thoroughly. Watch them. And at the bottom, you'll be able to join $5 Cash Cow or $20 Cash Cow. There'll actually be some links down below, and that once you get to the last page, you'll be able to sign up online, and you just pay a one-time fee, whether it's the $5 Cash Cow or the $20 Cash Cow. If it's the $5 Cash Cow, what you're going to do is you're going to want to send a one-time $5 fee to the sponsor, which is me, and then you'll send a one-time $5 admin fee to the admin, and that's simply it. You're a part of this program after that. And it works the same way with the $20 Cash Cow. You can pay a one-time $20 fee to the sponsor, and then a one-time $20 fee to the admin, and then you'll be able to get access to this PDF and this flyer. You can either do that via snail mail, and how you'll do that is once you get to the $20 Cash Cow page or the $5 Cash Cow page, right beside the video, you'll be able to click, and it'll pull up a PDF, and it's actually going to pull up a PDF of this flyer, and you can print it out, and you can actually print it out and clip these out, and then send in your fee that way. Or you can go on the website, and you'll be able to click the PayPal and pay the one-time admin fee for the $5 or either the $20 to the sponsor, and then you can do it with the same way with Stripe with the admin, with either $5 or $20. So I just wanted to make this really quick video. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, around these videos, you'll see my cell phone number along with my email. There's probably going to be some social media links too. You can connect with me via Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. You'll be able to see the hundreds of videos I actually put out there regarding making money from home and other systems that I put out there to actually complement these work from home offers that I do. And like I said, I'm more than happy to walk you through on getting started. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and give me a text message, or you can give me a call. The number's down below. But first, it's actually going to start off with you taking action and filling out that form below. That's going to land you to that next page. You're going to have a couple of videos. Be sure to watch those videos thoroughly. It's just going to be videos about the $20 Cash Cow and the $5 Cash Cow. And then at the bottom, you'll be able to start whichever program that you want to get started with. Or it could be both of them. You never know. If you want to start getting mailbox money, it's going to start with you filling in that form below. So at that, friends, I'll see you on the inside, and to your success. Peace out, and thank you for watching.